Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, yes, Thursday, April the 21st, 2022. We have here only one regular medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also 9 extra puzzles, an additional, yes. Half of them I will solve, 5 of them I will solve. But first, we will solve this medium Sudoku, and this will be number 443939. So, the upcoming 5 puzzles will be 4444. 4 fours. Yes, 4 fours. Wow. Amazing. Yes. All right. Before I start with this Sudoku Medium, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. If we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Let me see. We have 8 in this row. 8 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this column, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. Okay. We need a 6 here. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright, 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 and 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have there 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 and 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in last column. 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1 and 1 there, here 1 and 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Wait. Then. How about uh, 9? We have a 7 in this row, the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be here. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Oh, wait. Okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4. How about 2 missing numbers. In the first column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then. Let me see. 9, 2. I'm thinking. 2. 9. Yeah. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. That means the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 boxes left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2. to 2. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. The 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. Then the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. Oh. No. Need to wait. Then 9 and 5. How about these two missing numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 cannot fill this yet. How about those two boxes? 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the second column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 2. 2 boxes left in this row, the 2 and the 4, I believe. Yes, I can remember the 2 and the 4 are missing. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 2 and a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 5 and let me see, 5 and 3. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a pair here, 5 and 8. 5 and 8. So here we have a pair. That means that this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 9. And that box should be a 5. 1 box left in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9. Okay. Missing the 3 here. 5 and the 3. 5 and the 3. Oh wait, 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a pair here. That means 1 digit left in this row for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 here. This box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 5 and 8 are missing in this big square. 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. Finish in 14 minutes. Quicker than the 15 to 20 minutes I've indicated. Yes. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I've told you I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 weeks, 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share you the data. We have here the 579, 579, 354, 354, and 723, 723. We have here the 3 as a pair, the 7 as a pair, and the 5 as a pair. 3 pairs. All right. Great. A medium Sudoku. Yes. Well, 5 puzzles are left. So we are going to the 4. Quarter fours. Yes. See you then. Bye bye. For now.